Hello students, today's topic is atomic structure. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest unit of matter that retain the identity of the substance. Atom जो है atom are composed of two region. Atom जो है one is nucleus and second one is electron. The the nucleus are present at the center of the atom and the electron are surrounding to the nucleus. Nucleus, the center of the atom that contain the mass of the atom, means the nucleus contain proton or neutron. The proton nucleus is a positively charged, proton is positive, and neutron is neutral species. And the electrons, the electron cloud region that surrounded the nucleus is the this electron are surrounded the nucleus that contain most of the space in the atom, and they are negative in charge. Then what is the what's in the nucleus? Nucleus contain proton and neutrons. Proton are positively charged subatomic particles, and neutron are neutrally charged subatomic particles. Means the proton they have positive charge and neutral they have neutral. They are neutral in spaces. And the third subatomic particle is known as electron. This electron are negatively charged particle and they are surrounded by the nucleus. Sorry, the electron are present outside the nucleus and they move around the nucleus. Protons and neutrons live compactly in the tiny positively charged nucleus, accounting for the most of the mass of the atom. The negatively charged electrons are the small and have a relative small mass, but occupy the large volume of the space outside the nucleus. Means the nucleus they contain the protons and neutrons, and these are the outer cloud is in the outer cloud the electrons are present in different orbitals. Next is the electron. The number of proton in atom is equal to the number of electron. Means if 20 protons are present in the atom, then 20 electrons are present in the atom. They neutral their charge. The overall charge is zero, neutral. The neutron have no charge, therefore they do not have to equal the number of proton and electron. Atomic number, this number indicate the number of proton in the atom. For example, the hydrogen, its the atomic number is 1, then the proton is 1. Carbon, the atomic number is 6, the total number of proton is 6. The number of proton identify the atoms. 2 proton, helium. 29 proton, copper. Mass number, the number of proton and neutron in the nucleus. Mass number means the total number of proton and neutrons in the nucleus. For example, the hydrogen can have a mass number of 3 because it has 1 proton and 2 neutron, and the atomic number is hydrogen 1 atomic number because atomic number is equal to number of proton. The number of proton is 1, the atomic number is 1. Number of neutron is equal to mass of the atom. For example, lithium has a mass number of 7 and an atomic number of 3. Lithium the atomic number of 3 and the mass number is 7. कैसे है? प्रोटॉन 3 है, न्यूट्रॉन 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Neon, neon is a inert gases. Their atomic mass number is 20 and atomic number is 10 because it come into the D block elements S, P, D, and these are known as inert gases. Inert gases are also known as non-reactive gases because their outer orbital is fully filled. Means the atom are more stable if they have half filled and fully filled electrons. The electron are equal to the number of proton. जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो डिपेंड करता है कितने प्रोटॉन्स हैं. If electrons are 2, then proton are 2. That is helium. Chlorine has a mass number of 35 and the atomic number is 17. वो कैसे है? प्रोटॉन 17 है तो न्यूट्रॉन 18 है और इलेक्ट्रॉन 17 है। तो एटॉमिक नंबर, द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन and the number of proton is equal to number of electron, and the mass number is number of proton plus number of neutron. Then 17 plus 18 is equal to 35, that is mass number is 35 of chlorine, and the atomic number is number of proton. The proton of the total number of proton in chlorine is 17, and the atomic number is 17. Atomic number is 17, then the total number of electron present in the in this atom is 17. नेक्स्ट इज बोर्स मॉडल्स ऑफ एटम। बोर्स ने एटम का मॉडल डिफाइन किया था कि कैसे एटम्स जो होंगे, एटम में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे मूव करते हैं न्यूक्लियस के सराउंडिंग में। उन्होंने बोला कि जो न्यूक्लियस होता है, जो दे आर प्रेजेंट एट द सेंटर ऑफ द एटम एंड दे कंटेन प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन, एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन आर मूविंग around a fixed path. This path is known as orbit. Means first 1s orbit, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. According to their energy level, the electrons are present in the different orbital. For example, in first ring, in this ring, 1s maximum 2 electrons are present. In second ring, if 2p electron, they contain 6 number of 6 electron are present, and these electrons are present according to their energy level. For example, ये भी वही बताता है कि mass number is a total number of proton and neutron, and the atomic number is total number of proton, and the electron present, the number of proton is equal to number of electron. बोर्स ने यही बताया था कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो हैं वो एक फिक्स पाथ में मूव करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एनर्जी लेवल। अब फॉर एग्जांपल 1s जो होगा उसकी एनर्जी लो होगी एज कंपेयर टू 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d and 4s, so on. And they contain, in 1s orbit they contain maximum two number of electron is 2. In p orbital maximum number of electron is 6, and in d orbital the maximum number of electron present in 10, and the f orbital they contain 14 number of electrons. And this, when this electron get energy, they goes to their excited state. This excited state is unstable in nature. After they release this energy and come back to their ground state, because the ground state is more stable than the excited state. अगर इसका एग्जांपल है, अगर हम गैस बर्नर पे सोडियम नमक सोडियम को अगर हम डालते हैं तो जो फ्लेम है वो ब्लू से रेड हो जाती है। थोड़ी देर बाद वो रेड से अगेन ब्लू हो जाती है। क्यों होती है? बिकॉज जो सोडियम के इलेक्ट्रॉन जैसे ही हम बर्नर पे डालते हैं तो दे गेन दी एनर्जी। when they gain the energy they goes to their excited state जैसे ही वो जाते हैं, excited state is unstable in nature, तुरंत वो एनर्जी लूज करते हैं और लूज करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइट, एंड एनर्जी लूज होती है, देन दे अगेन कम बैक टू देयर ग्राउंड स्टेट। इसी के साथ आज जो है बोर्स मॉडल, एटम नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, न्यूट्रॉन्स क्या होते हैं, मास नंबर क्या होता है, एंड कैसे उनके बोहर्स ने कैसे बताया था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे प्रेजेंट होते हैं, कैसे ऑर्बिट क्या होते हैं, मैक्सिमम कितने एनर्जी कितने ऑर्बिट में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं। इसी के साथ आज का जो टॉपिक है वो हमारा एंड होता है। थैंक यू।